What's up guys, this is Jomar and welcome to Tutorial by Jomar.
What's up guys? So ngayon, i-discuss natin ang order of operations, the proper use of PEMDAS. So, we all know na ang order of operations ay isa sa pinaka-fundamentals of mathematics. So, let's discuss the PEMDAS. So, we have PEMDAS, the parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, then, aside dyan sa PEMDAS na yun, meron akong ginawang lesson or mnemonics na mas madaling intindihin. So, we have here the PEMAMI. So, ano ba yung pinagkaiba ng PEMDAS sa PEMAMI? So, we have the parentheses, exponent, then we have the major operations. So, major operations are comprises of multiplication and division. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam na ang multiplication and division is considered as the major operation. So, paano ba siya ginagamit? Kapag gagamitin mo siya sa order of operations, ang mangyayari, interchangeable ang multiplication and division. Kahit ano, basta kapag sinusolve mo siya from left to right lagi, pwede siyang magabaliktad kahit anong mauna, multiplication muna, or division muna, or multiplication muna. See, for example, we have 100 divided by 5 times 2. Yan. Kung ipapollow natin yung rules na to or yung mnemonics na to, ang unang natin makita is yung letter M, which is the multiplication. So, ang gagawin natin, kapag ito lang yung alam natin, kapag hindi natin alam kung paano ito gamitin or yung theory behind nito, na multiplication and division ay major operation, ang gagawin natin is, or ang common na ginagawa is ganito, multiply mo na to. So, we have 5 times 2 is 10. 100 divided by 10 is 10. So, ang magiging answer mo is 10. Kung hindi mo alam yung theory ng PEMDAS or kung hindi mo alam yung concept nito. Pero kung alam mo naman yung concept nito, iiba natin kulay. Pag 100 divided by 5 times 2, so alam natin na ang multiplication and division is a major operation. So kapag sinusolve siya is from left to right, una mo natin yung pinaka-leftmost. We have 100 divided by 5. We have 20 times 2, the multiplication. The answer will be 40. So, kahit na i-solve nyo sa mga calculator nyo ang equation na to, ang magiging answer pa rin is 40. Next, we have the MI or the minor operation. The minor operation is composed of addition and subtraction. Same thing with the major operations. Ang minor operations din ay sinusolve from left to right. So, kung ano muna yung pinaka-leftmost, ay yun muna yung sinusolve. Interchangeable ang addition and subtraction. Sila din, interchangeable din sila. Kahit ano sa kanila, ang mauna. Basta, from left to right, yun yung pagsisolve. Say, for example, we have, again, yung 100. Sorry. 100 minus 20 plus 5. Ayan. So, unahin muna natin to. Yung rules na to, kung di mo alam ang tamang paggamit ng PEMDAS or ng order of operation. So, ang gagawin mo, since ang sabi nga dito, addition muna, ang gagawin mo is 20 plus 5 muna. So, you have 25. Then, 100 minus 25 is 75, diba? 75. Yan. So, next. Ito yung answer mo. Itong answer mo, 75 kapag ipa-follow mo tong rules na to. Pero, try natin yung mean ng PEMAMI, no? The minor operation. Sabi nga dito, from left to right muna yung pag-solve. So, we have 100 minus 20 muna. So, we have 80. Then, plus 5. We have 85, no? So, kahit pa isolve nyo yun sa mga calculator nyo, ang tamang answer pala is 25. So, always remember lang natin yung concept ng PEMAMI. So, again, parentheses, exponent, major operations, it's either multiplication or division, basta from left to right lang lagi. Interchangeable sila kahit ano ay pwedeng mauna. Same true with the minor operations. Yung addition and subtraction din from left to right and interchangeable din. So, to understand further, magbibigay ako ng example. So, we have 30 divided by 5 times 3. Sabi, parenthesis muna, so wala naman. Exponent, wala. Next, we have the major of operation. It's either multiplication or division. Basta from left to right. So, left to right muna. Unahin natin since ito lang ang meron tayo, division and multiplication, which both are major operations. So, 30 divided by 5 times 3. So, from left to right, unahin natin to, yung 30. 30 divided by 5, we have 6 times 3, we have 18. So, next natin, kapag ito yung ginawa mo, kapag hindi mo alam yung rules ng PEMDAS, ginawa mo muna yung sinasabi dito, di ba? Multiplication daw. So, ginawa mo, multiply mo muna. 5 times 3 is 15. Then, 30 divided by 15 is 2. Yan. Which is mali. Mali yung answer mo. Pag yan. Okay, next example, we have 5 times 3. 5 plus 3 times 2. Parenthesis, wala naman. Exponent, wala. Major operation. We have major operation here. 3 times 2. We have 6. Then, so wala na. Next minor operation is addition. So, 5 plus 6, we have 11. Tama tayo. So, yung wrong way yung naman. Kapag na natin yung 5 times 3, which is maling-mali talaga kasi ito pa lang. Makaharang na agad siya dito sa M tsaka sa D or sa major operation. Pag ginawa mo to, 5 plus 3, we have 8 times 2 is 16. Yung maling sagot mo. Next, 4 times open parenthesis 3 plus 9. So, parenthesis, meron 3 plus 9, we have 12. Then, 4 times 12, we have 48. So, ito yun. Major operation itong part na to. So, wala nang next. So, yung wrong way kapag minultiply mo na muna yung 4 tsaka 3, which is, mali naman talaga. 12 plus 9 is 21, which is wrong. Ang layo ng 21, 48. So, in order for you to understand further, I will give you a short quiz.
Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And hopefully nagets nyo ang lesson na ito. See you on my next video.